Hello, my name is Mark with Luke's Porch and Window Screen. We're a small family business reaching from Calabash, North Carolina to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, all the way to Charleston, South Carolina. We are your local backyard screening authority. Today I want to talk about a product called Eze-Breeze. I'm standing right now on my back porch here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. If you look behind me, you'll see a window. It looks like a glass sliding window, but it's actually vinyl made by Eze-Breeze. I chose to go with my porch a sliding glass window, although Eze-Breeze does make a vertical 4-track window system where if you pull all the windows, they collapse upon themselves, giving you 75% screen. I'll save that for another video. But today I just want to talk about my sliding Eze-Breeze windows. And over here on this side, I have taken them out so you can just see screen. So when the weather is perfect and you don't want to have any interference with airflow, just take them out and store them, or leave them in and just open them like a regular window. I'm going to go over here and demonstrate how this works. I basically just slide and that window is now open. I get 50% airflow out of this double window. I love it because now pollen season is about to come upon us. We are moving towards spring. As I currently speak to you, it is February. So what I'm going to do is close this so that when the pollen comes, that I can protect my porch. That is probably the number one reason I actually bought this product, because I realized after about 8 years of constantly having to clean my porch after the pollen snow comes, it was overwhelming. See, I have wicker furniture. The pollen gets all up into the wicker. It is very hard to clean. Sometimes I would have to take a hose and literally hose it off only to find out my wicker started to unravel. So I just changed it up by putting these Eze-Breeze windows in for a lesser price than glass, much better price than glass. The other great thing about these Eze-Breeze windows are during winter, you can heat your room, have friends on your back porch and still enjoy it with our mild climate here in the Myrtle Beach area. Now this is a 3 seasons room. It's not designed for you to put air conditioning on it in the middle of summer, even though I have seen people try to do that. But the reality of it is made and marketed as a 3 seasons room. Now the benefits I just mentioned, the only consequence would be you can't use it for a 4 seasons room. And in about 10 years or 12 years down the road, these windows, the vinyl on them will begin to dry out. See, this window is a high-tech window that was infused, oil and vinyl infused, so it can stay pliable for many years and not dry out like regular marine grade vinyl. This is a special vinyl because of the oil infused in it. Gives you a long longevity of these windows, over 10 years. I believe Eze-Breeze warranty is still for 10 years, as long as it's taken care of and maintained well. The other thing about this window is that it can come in bronze color for shade. It can come in dark gray for shade, light gray for shade, and just clear. I chose the clear. I just didn't want to have any obstruction to my backyard, but that's the reason I picked the clear. Now where Luke's Porch and Window Screen comes in at is when it's time to replace these vinyl windows, we know how to do that. We know how to come in, and there's a special splining system that you have to use. It's called a v-spline, not easily done. Our technicians are well trained in it. We can replace these vinyl windows with new ones with any shade you like, and we can do it pretty quick. We're a mobile company, so we can come out to you. So if you need replacements for your vinyl Eze-Breeze windows, call Luke's Porch and Window Screen. Look us up for the Myrtle Beach, Charleston area, or North Myrtle Beach, Calabash. Just look us up online and you'll find us. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.